In this example, I have a list of 65 names that all have lowercase first and last names. And what I want to do is make them proper case. So I want to use a custom function in Power Query to do this. In order for me to put this data in Power Query, it first needs to be in an Excel table. So I'm going to select the entire data set and press Control T to put it inside of an Excel table. Then I'm going to go to the Data tab and go to From Table Range, and this will take me into Power Query. I'm going to call this query Employee List. To create a custom function, I'm going to create a blank query by going to New Source, Other Sources, Blank Query, go to the Advanced Editor, and place in the following code, and press Done. I'm going to rename this custom function and call it FN capitalize words. Now, if I want to apply this function to my column, I already have the query selected. I can go to Add Column, Invoke Custom Function. I can give the column name. I could call it New Employee Name and select the custom function and press OK. So now I have all of the words in proper case.